Hello everyone, myself Sushmita Sharma, Assistant Professor of Mathematics from School of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss about the derivatives. First of all, the term of derivative, it is defined as a rate change of one variable with respect to another. Let two variables x and y rate change of y with respect to x is called derivative of y with respect to x. It's also called a slope of line, slope of curve. If a function fx independent on the variable y here the dependent variable, f dash x is called derivative of the function. This term represents the derivative of the given function. So, here are some rules for the derivative. Rule 1, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of any number with respect to this number is equals to 1. And second rule, derivative of x raised to power n with respect to x is equals to n x n minus 1. Subtract 1 from power. It's a second rule for the derivative. Let discuss with example. X raised to power 3, derivative of x cube, that it's equals to y. Derivative of y with respect to x is equals to 3 x as it is, 3 minus 1, 3x square. If x cube is given to you, which is equals to y, so derivative of y with respect to x, 3x, 3 minus 1, which is equals to x square. The second, x square plus x. This is another example. Derivative of x square by using the second rule, derivative of x by using the first rule, which is equals to 2x, 1 subtracted from power, derivative of x with respect to x is equals to 1. 2x plus 1. Now the next example. Derivative of any constant number with respect to x is equals to 0. By using the first two or third, all three rules, we take an example, x plus 2x square plus 1. This term with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x with respect to x, 1. Derivative of 2 x square, 2 is a constant number in product with x square, so take 2 as it is. Derivative of x square, derivative of this 2x, 2 minus 1, subtract 1 from power. Derivative of constant number, 1 is a constant number, derivative of 1 constant is 0, so derivative of 1 is 0. So answer equals to 1 plus 2 to the 4, 4x plus 0. So 1 plus 4x is your answer. Next rule, derivative of log x with respect to x is equals to 1 by x. Example, for this rule, let y is equals to log 2x plus 1. If y is a function given log 2x plus 1, so derivative of this term, differentiate y with respect to x is equals to derivative of log 1 by 2x plus 1, and again differentiate this term with respect to x. One by 2x plus 1, derivative of this, derivative of 2x, 2, derivative of 1, 0, 2 by 2x plus 1. Next example, derivative of log 3x. Find the derivative of log 3x, which is equals to y. dy by dx is equals to 1 by 3x, and derivative of 3x with respect to x. 3 by 3x, 3 or 3 cancel out, 1 by x. For the next rule, derivative of ex with respect to x is equals to derivative of ex. Derivative of exponential power with respect to the same variable is equals to derivative of e raised to power x. So let example, y is equals to e raised to power 2x. Derivative of y with respect to x, differentiate both sides, derivative of y with respect to x, which is equals to e raised to power 2x as it is. Now derivative of this term with respect to x, it becomes e raised to power 2x, derivative of 2x with respect to x, 2 is a constant number, derivative of 1, derivative of x is 1. 2 e raised to power 2x is the final answer. Now rule for the trigonometric function, derivative of sin x. Derivative of trigonometric functions, derivative of sin x is equals to cos x. Derivative of cos x is equals to sin x. Derivative of tan x is equals to secant square x. Now let's discuss about some trigonometric functions, derivative of trigonometric functions with respect to x. Our first example, let y is equals to sin 2x. 2x is the angle of trigonometric function sine. So derivative of sin 2x, differentiate y with respect to x is equals to derivative of sine cos x. Now derivative of 2x again with respect to x, cos 2x, derivative of 2x gives 2. So final answer 2 cos 2x. For the next, y is equals to, if y is equals to cos x plus 1. Next example, y is equals to cos x plus 1. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. dy by dx is equals to minus sine angle as it is, and again differentiate angle with respect to x. minus sine x plus 1 and derivative of this. Derivative of x with respect to x is equals to 1. Derivative of 1 is a constant number, so derivative of constant is 0. So here 1, which is equals to minus sine x plus 1 is the final answer. Now the next example. Let y is equals to tan x square plus 1. Derivative of tan x square plus 1. Using the third trigonometric rule, differentiate both sides, dy by dx is equals to derivative of tan x secant square x secant square with angle. Here angle is x square plus 1, so secant square x square plus 1, and the derivative of, in product, derivative of angle also. So derivative of x square plus 1 secant square x square plus 1, derivative of x square plus 1, derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 1 is 0, which gives 2x secant square x square plus 1. Now let's discuss about the inverse trigonometry functions. Here are some rules for the inverse trigonometry function. Derivative of sine inverse x 1 by root 1 minus x square. Derivative of sine inverse any angle with respect to x is equals to 1 by root 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 over root 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 over 1 plus x square. These are 3 trigonometric functions. Now we apply these functions to find the derivative of the inverse trigonometry functions. Let y is equals to sine inverse 2x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dy by dx is equals to derivative of sine inverse 1 by root 1 minus x square. It means 1 by root 1 minus x square. X square is the angle of sine inverse. Here the angle of sine inverse 2x. So it becomes 1 by root 1 minus 2x square, and also derivative of 2x with respect to x, which is equals to derivative of this function 2 root 1 minus 2 square 4x square. Next example, if y is equals to cos inverse x square plus 1. Another example, y is equals to cos inverse x square plus 1. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dy by dx. Derivative of cos inverse 1 minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. So minus 1 by root 1 minus angle of cos inverse x. So we write here x square. Now in this case angle of cos inverse x square plus 1. So 1 minus x square plus 1 whole square. And now derivative of x square plus 1 with respect to x also. Minus 1 derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 1 is a constant number, so derivative of constant is 0 over 1 minus x square plus 1 whole square. We can apply here the whole square formula, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can write here x square raised to power 2 plus 1 square plus 2 x square into 1 in a closed bracket. Minus 1 into 2x, which gives minus 2x over root 1 as it is minus, open the closed bracket, it becomes x raised to power 4 minus 1 minus 2x square. Plus minus cancel out each other, minus 2x over root minus x raised to power 4 minus 2x square. This is the final answer of y is equals to cos inverse x square plus 1. Now, by using all these rules, we can find the derivative of any function with respect to x by using trigonometric function, by using the rule of trigonometric function, inverse trigonometry, and some other functions like log x and exponential terms. Now here is some mixed form example like y is equals to e raised to power sin x. Now derivative of this function with respect to x, differentiate both sides with respect to x. You can directly differentiate both sides with respect to x, and you can apply another method taking log both sides. Taking log both sides, log y is equals to sin x log e. These two terms are inversely proportional, so they are cancel out each other. Log y is equals to sin x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Here derivative of log y is equals to 1 by y, and derivative of y with respect to x, which is equals to derivative of sin x is cos x. dy by dx is equals to y into cos x. In the last, put the value of y from the given equation. This is your first equation which is given to you. So dy by dx is equals to e raised to power n x into cos x. This is your final answer.